Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect JustMarkets to the MetaTrader 5. So first of all, we are here in JustMarkets and we want to create an account. So we click here on demo, open new account, select here MT5, then we do standard, so try demo. And then from here we select currency USD. Leverage is not important right now. And then from here we select JustMarkets, fill in our password, and then right here fill in the balance. So let's do 1 million. That is fine. Then after this you can also change the leverage, but yeah, we are using 1 million, so not every leverage is possible. And then we click here on create account. Right now we have a demo account with 1 million USD, and now what we need to do is we need to go right here to trade and click here on MetaTrader. Then we click here on MetaTrader 5 for Windows, download, and then we click here on the setup. Click on yes, click on next, and then right now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 for your PC. So we need to wait a little bit until this download is done. So there it is, there is finish. So we click on finish right now. Then he will open the MQL and he automatically shows us the Just Global Markets. Then we click here on next. Then from now we click here on login. So right now we want to log in with our demo account. And then we go to our email that we received just for our trading account. Because right now we need to search for the login, and the login is exactly this code. So we copy paste that to the login, and our password is the password that we are using for JustMarkets. So we will fill this in correctly. Then we do finish. And boom, there it is. We just connected JustMarkets to MetaTrader 5, and this is how you can do this. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.